Hi, David here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a brand new in-stock MG ZS. It's a 1.5 Excite manual, and what I'll be doing in this video is just showing you some of the features it comes with. So obviously it's brand new, so condition-wise it'll be immaculate. So what we'll do is just zoom back in a bit there. There we are. So this is the alloy design you get on the ZS Excite. So it's diamond cut design, not too overcomplicated, very nice. It is on disc brakes all round as well. And then going down the bodywork, you can see it's super clean. And round onto the front, some nice clear headlights there, LEDs in them as well. You've got a fairly large grille, and you can see plenty of airflow will get through there, so overheating shouldn't be a problem with these. So can't stress enough, this one's actually in stock. It is available now, it's not forward order, it is a car you can have if you want it immediately. So all ZS's come with roof bars as standard as well, so nice and practical if you do like to carry things on the roof. And then once you get onto the rear, you do get 3 parking sensors along the back there. So I do personally think having that one central one's nice and handy. Just make sure it's open. So the boot does have a droppable boot floor, so you can lower that down. So I'll just show underneath first. So you do get tyre inflation kit with a towing eye. And then at the back there, you can slot it down there. And it drops a bit. Obviously, if it's a bit higher up, you do get a completely flat floor if you do that. And just inside the boot, you've also got a warning triangle just there. So we'll close that up and take a look at the rear seats. And just before we go too far, you do also get a 7-year warranty with all MGs at the moment. So in the rear, you'll see you've got plenty of leg room, and the seat folded flat, you can see how much space that gives you. Now we'll lift that up. So you've got a little storage area in the back and 2 USB slots as well. Moving on from there into the front. So you've got electric windows all around there. Also got these really nice vents, actually very nice to use, and just below there you've got your electric folding wing mirrors. We'll just let it focus a second. There you go, so you've got electric folding wing mirrors with electrical adjustment. And we'll just pop the key in and just start the engine up. I believe it's only done 17 miles, which are all just delivery miles. So there you go, just underneath the low fuel. Obviously it's not been fueled up yet, so of course it's going to say low fuel. It says 17 miles, just there. So onto the features inside then. So you do have some general controls for the sort of little screen in front of you there, over on the right hand side, and you do also have this customizable button just under there. Then over on this side, you've got all your audio controls, including a dedicated phone button. Over on the right hand stalk, you've got intermittent wiper functions. Over on the left hand side, you've got your automatic lights, and then just below there, you do have your cruise control stalk, so you just pull it forward and then press set on the end when you're at the speed, and then you can adjust your speed by doing the up or down, and then push it back again, turn it off. So nice and straightforward. And then onto the centre screen, so you've got plenty of ways to connect up your devices. So first of all though, we'll just jump onto radio. So you've got USB, you've got Bluetooth audio, and you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you've currently got DAB radio on as well as FM and AM radio. Car is just your car settings, fairly straightforward. It's comfort, convenience, driving, maintenance and factory settings. Then you've got all your aircon, so all done via touchscreen, bar the fan speed and the temperature. So you can adjust the 2 bottom ones there, but your actual direction of flow needs to be done through the screen. But again, very nice and simple. There's a few shortcuts available as well for that one. And then you'll just spot down here, you've got your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto, so you've just got to use this socket over on the left for those. And then last thing to cover with the screen, if you do go into reverse, you do get your parking sensor display comes up, so you can see everything coming from behind you. And then last couple of things just to finish with, you do get hill descent control, vehicle stability assist off, and then that's your auto stop start. And you got your 5-speed manual gearbox, manual handbrake, 2 cup holders, and then you've got a nice comfy armrest with a bit of storage in the middle. So if there is anything that's not been covered, don't hesitate to get in contact with us and we'll do whatever we can to help. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, bye.